Hello everyone, welcome to Algorithmic Finance. We keep learning how we can create our own algorithmic trading system by using MetaTrader 5. On this video, we will learn something new. So earlier classes, we learned how we can open position, how we can get the data from candlestick, how we can do conditional operation. On this video, we will learn how we can close position. So to be able to realize our profit or to be able to realize our loss, so we need to close position. So this is the way how we can realize our profit or losses. So for this, we have very simple code. When we define some certain parameters, like if position is profit bigger than like 100, so close position. If position's loss is bigger than 2000, 3000, then it should close position. Like this kind of parameters we can define, or one of the indicator will give opposite signal. So when we have buy position and indicator send sell signal, then I may just define to close this buy position. It can be millions of combinations that we can use it, but for the start, we need to learn how we can close this position. Now let's move on my computer and learn an example. Okay, when I'm creating this video, it's weekend, so that's why this only cryptocurrencies is inactive, so I can open or close position. And this video, I will be working with Bitcoin. So as you see, I opened manually one lot buy position. So if I want to close manually, I need to click here. So, but when it comes to close position with MQL5, I need to go this IDE button or F4 and create new expert advisor. I close this old one. I said close position. And next, I will not mark any of this. Next and end. This is template file is opened. Let's define my trade library that I open position by using this library. I will also use it when I'm closing position. So you can go in comment and see this text if you think that you may type mistakenly, but I highly recommend you to try yourself. Just type yourself, even if you do mistakes, and after you solve this mistake and next time you can do without even looking. So but for the beginners, you can copy and paste from video comment that I put this trade library, and I call my class. Now I include this trade library. Let's first open position trade by one lot, the current symbol. When I'm opening buy position, I need to use ask price. With symbol info double function, I get ask price, stop loss, take profit, and no comment. My code is ready, compiled. View, navigator. The name expert advisor, post close. When I draw and drop on chart, Bitcoin is an charge. As you see, it opened one lot buy position on Bitcoin. But now I will close position, not open position. Again, I am calling the same library and position close. Here, as you see, I only need to define ticket number of this position. So let's make it. So let's look at this ticket number. So to be able to see well, I will close this comment section, as you see. Now system is asking me ticket number. So let's put ticket number. As you see, I will put here 17. So I put exactly the same ticket number from here. 17, 45, 19, 41, and 9. So let's say I compiled. As you see, this time it closed position automatically. So I opened another position when I compiled, but this time it didn't close the position because ticket number is changed. So let's type this next ticket number. I compile again. As you see, it's closed. So for sure, we will not type here ticket number manually. So we need to take it automatically. Let's learn how we can get automatically. I put oolong. Oolong is the data type. Ticket equals position get ticket by index number. This index number will give me the ticket number of that I put. If I put 0, it will give me the first open position. So let's open 2 position. And I delete for now and alert ticket number. So position get ticket will give me the first ticket, the first position that opened, and it will define this number to ticket, and I will get this ticket as alert, as pop-up. Let's look. So as you see, we get the first ticket. So if I put it here 1, now it will go the second open position. As you see, this time 38. So if I open like 5 more, and I will put 2, at this time it will give me 43. This third position that I opened. So what I need to do now to be able to get first position and close this one. Again, I trade position close. I need to put ticket and semicolon. When I run, as you see, this first position was closed. So after first position is closed, then 0 become the second position that I opened. When I compile again, this time it closed another one. As you see, as long as I just keep compiling, because this first order opened just changes and it just keep closing all the position. What if I want to close all position one single code? So this for loop that we learned earlier classes, for loop integer a equals 0 semicolon a smaller than, let's say a smaller than how many position that we have opened, more than 15, and a plus plus, it will increment a, and I will put here a, this will give me the open position ticket semicolon. So when my loop is started, it will start from 0. First it will close this first position, then it will jump the second, third one. Now let's run and we'll see how it will react. As you see, it didn't close all position because once it started to close first order, after first order close, and the system will jump second order. But second order will become first order after I close it. Then it just gives one ticket space every time. So for this, if I am closing position integer, so it's better to count from a bigger amount to smaller. AA position total equals 1. So for example, now I have, let's say 10 position. AA, like between 2A will be 10. From 10, it will count to 0. So at this time, it will just give 0 space and we'll be able to close all position without any error. This time, minus, minus. I put another one. So let's open a little more and compiled. As you see, it closed without any problem at all because it started to close the position it opened last, not it opened first. Closed, and for example, if it is the 9 close, 8 close, 7 close, 6 close, it will count from last position. So when I am closing position, it's better to put this setup. So let's do another example. If I want to close the position by position, I want to close position if it is cell position. So for this, I need to use another parameters. Position select by ticket. I put the ticket number. After I select position, let's say this comes as boolean. After I select the position, wherever I put position get integer. Position get integer. I need to get the position type. If position type is equals position type bytes, then only I want to close position. So let's look again. So I will select the position, each position. If the position type, if position types equals by, then close the position. Cell position will be left. Compiled. As you see, all cell positions closed. If I want to close cell positions, I can type cell and compile. As you see, cell positions closed. Let's do one more time. I close cell position. As you see, we can put this kind of parameters. Close only cell position, close only by position, or close the position if it is in profit. So in this kind of limitation I can put. So but for this class we basically learn how we can close position and based on some parameters, based on filters. In next classes, so we will go in details to be able to learn more, to be able to increase our algorithmic trading knowledge. Before I close the video, I would like to mention you Pepperstone, that who supports our videos and content. Pepperstone is the global broker that you can trade more than 1,700 products, including gold, currency pairs, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and there is really a large list that you can trade. And when you trade, so you can use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, C-Trade, and it gives service all this platform. To be able to find out on details, please go video description and click the link and you can search by yourself on details based on your need and your wish. Please don't forget going through the website through my link, so it will also support our channel. That's it for today. See you in the next video for different content. Please don't forget you can reach me by freelance request. See you in the next video. Bye bye.